Today what I'm going to do is a Binance tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit about Binance. And the reason why I choose Binance as an exchange is because it's very simple to read. As you can see, it probably looks complicated if you're just looking at it from the outside. That's totally understandable. I thought it was just all like, well, what's going on? I have no idea. Obviously this is a graph, up and down. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to basically tell you guys these are candlesticks right here. And basically this is the price of the fluctuation of XMR. And we're in the Ethereum market right here, but I'm going to go to the Bitcoin market. And so right here are the tabs for each market. There is a Bitcoin market. Basically you can exchange Bitcoin for any coin. And there we go. And these are all the coins in the Bitcoin market. So if you want to exchange Bitcoin for any of these coins, you can do so. If you guys have a good altcoin that you guys want to invest in, if you guys done your due diligence and you're like, hey, I want some Monero. Okay, cool. Well, Monero right now is priced at 263. Basically, all you do is you put in, I would suggest putting on your cap locks, because if you don't, if you do XMR, my autocorrect will come up and it screws it up. So I put on the cap locks, XMR, and basically we're already here. So wait, hold on. Where you at, XMR? Where you at? There you are. I found them. XMR. Okay, so we're gonna buy some Monero. I actually just bought some on that video, which, gosh dang it. It's all good, guys. It's all good. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. So basically what you have to do here in Binance is this is how you buy the coin. You pick the BTC, but I think I should step back, pause, and step back on how you need to get in the exchange. So in order to get in, you have to basically put in your name, your email address, and your password, and basically do a verification through your email. I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to do that. You're going to have to also download Google Authenticator on the App Store. So you need to download that not just for Binance, but for your Coinbase, for your other wallets, for your other exchanges. You can use it for any platform you're in. It's just another layer of security. I'm pretty sure some of you guys already know this, but definitely download that on your phone. And another thing what you need to do is have an ID, valid ID. You need to be able to take a picture with you holding your ID and upload it, take a picture on your phone, upload it to your computer or whatever, and then sign in and go through the verification process. It should show you step by step on what to do. Shouldn't be that hard. Once you do that, you're in the exchange, and now you want to send Bitcoin to your Binance account. You have to fund your account. So if you guys already know how to buy Bitcoin on your Coinbase wallet, it's going to be very simple for you guys to do this. So basically you just go to funds, you go to deposits, and from your deposits, you're going to search in right here BTC, which is already up. But you just type in BTC, Bitcoin will pop up, and it'll give you an address. So you need to copy this address. And pause this video if I'm going too fast. If you guys need to slow it down, that's fine. Just there's a speed volume thing there. You could slow me down if you want. I kind of go fast. Or you guys can do the BTC deposit address QR code, which I could just use my phone and get on Coinbase, put in an amount, and I want to send $200 of Bitcoin. I put in $200, and I take a picture of this, confirm it, send it, and you're good to go. Once it's in the network, it's in the blockchain, be patient. It'll be about 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even sooner, depending on how many people are in the market. But other than that, once you get your BTC, which right here is when I first came in, BTC, then I sent some Ethereum, more Ethereum, send some Litecoin, I believe, yeah. And then I just completed my XMR, which was um, earlier. Wait, that's the 20th. I thought I did it earlier. Um, anyways, so yeah, I bought some XMR here. And no, I'm sorry, I sent that. I sent my XMR from here to my my Infinity XMR bot. So other than that, guys, once you deposit your Bitcoin in here, very simple. Once you get it, it'll already be in your Binance account. Okay, so now you just need to go to your exchange. Go to Basic Exchange, and this is what it looks like. Basically, what's going on here, guys, is it kind of looks crazy, but honestly, it's pretty simple. You just go to the BTC market. Since you have Bitcoin, you need to make sure it's on Bitcoin, BTC. I'm in the XMR already, but put on cap locks, XMR, and go to that exchange. Once you're in that exchange, you go to the graph. Okay, what's going on here? If it's at an all-time high, guys, I would wait. I would wait to buy XMR. And I want to teach you guys how to read charts here, charts here, and kind of predict, not predict, but kind of understand when to buy your coin at the best time. So everything is priced here in Bitcoin, in Satoshis, okay? So right now it's at 0.028917, and that is the price of XMR in Bitcoin, okay? So right here is the time, which you can see in minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And basically what this means, if you press 1 minute, this is each candlestick in 1 minute, okay? So I won't get too technical or anything. It's just a basic tutorial. But same thing here, 5 minutes. Every candlestick is 5 minutes and so forth with the 15 and 30 minutes. And you can do hours as well. In 1 hour, this is the price. I like to look at the market every, 12 hours. So kind of step back and see the market as a whole instead of just going in and, okay, doing that. And you want to step back a little bit and look at the market from, a couple days. So 12 hours is pretty good, or 24 hours is even better. But 1 day. So this is basically 1 day, each day candlestick, okay? So as you can see right here, this is an all-time high, went down, and it's going back up, went down, up, down, up, down, now skyrocketed up, more up, went down, up, and now it's going back down. Okay, so right now it'd actually be an okay price to buy XMR. So what's going on here on this side in the red is basically everyone who's selling XMR for BTC. So every time you buy XMR, you're using your Bitcoin. So it automatically, when you come in here, I'll show you how to do this. You'll buy XMR for exchanging it right then from Bitcoin to XMR. And basically every time you sell it, it'll go back into Bitcoin. So you're going to grow your Bitcoin initially, okay? So on the green, obviously green, you're buying. These are all the orders, open orders that they want to buy at a specific price for their Bitcoin with for XMR. So right here is a limit order. You'd basically use this if you're day trading. That's what these people have done. They've done a limit order. So they've asked to buy XMR at a certain price. Okay, so here in the green, if you want to buy some XMR, you're going to actually be in this, and this is the private or the public ledger, which everyone can see, but it doesn't have their name or anything like that. But basically, how you buy XMR, I always do it on the market. Okay, so I always see, okay, well, I'm not trying to day trade and wait for my XMR. I mean, I have before, but I usually would just buy at the market value. So right now, if I wanted to spend right here, if I wanted to spend 100% of my Bitcoins, I would push 100%. If I wanted to spend 75 of my total Bitcoins that I have in my wallet, I'd push 75. there for 50% and 25%. So right here you would buy XMR. It would let you buy if you have Bitcoin. If you don't have any Bitcoin, you cannot buy anything, obviously. But this is how you buy it. So I would purchase 100% of my Bitcoin, trade it for XMR, and I would get 0.838 XMR. So it is pretty simple once you guys do that. Once you buy it, it'll be automatically filled, which right here is when I bought. That's the date today on when I bought Monero for Bitcoin. I bought it, filled it. The total is 0.008051 of Bitcoin, and this is 0.02 of XMR. So I filled it. Once it's filled, guys, where it's going to be held is in your balances. So go to your balances, and you're going to have your hide. Check this mark, or you're going to be like, okay, what the heck? Check mark on hide, and this is the coins that I'm holding here in the exchange that I've traded. But I have 0.05 estimated BTC, and they'll show you how much that is worth in US dollars, which is $475 right there. So if you guys wanted to send your XMR, my Monero, over to a bot, or say if you got Bitcoin, you want to do it in a Bitcoin bot, whatever, you would come here and you'd figure out how much you had first. I have 0.5. It doesn't show me how much that is worth in US dollars, but go to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, so once you go to coinmarketcap.com, you're going to go to the tools. This is a very good website, has good tools. Shows you the price of Bitcoin. We're at $9,100. I go to tools. Currency converter calculator. Click on that, and this is going to show you every cryptocurrency in exchange for US dollars. You can do euros, you could do yen. I mean, any currency in the world you can exchange it for, and you'll find out how much that coin is worth. So I'm going to put in XMR Monero. I have 0.05, wait, 0.5, I'm sorry. Hold on. There we go. I got 0.5 Monero. So I have 132 US dollars of Monero in my Binance account. So that's how I figured out how much I have. And what I want to do is withdraw. So think of this as another wallet. I'm holding XMR in my Binance account, and I want to send it to a platform or a bot, whatever. You need to withdraw it. So in order to withdraw it, I'm going to go to my bot and just explain it to you guys on the Infinity XMR bot. I want to deposit inside my Infinity XMR, right? So I press deposit, and what comes up is just telling me that, make sure I have the exact payment ID. I understand, or it won't send to this wallet. And they'll give you two addresses for XMR. So this is the cool thing about XMR. It's a privacy coin. No one will understand or know where you send your XMR to and from. It's pretty cool. So that's why I kind of like Infinity XMR. I copy this, and I'll go back to Binance. I'll withdraw my Monero. I press withdraw. I'll paste it in my withdrawal address. Once I paste it in there, I'm going to also get my payment ID. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory here. Okay, here's my payment ID that my bot gave me. This is my wallet inside my Infinity XMR bot. Copy that. Go back to my Binance. I paste it. And from there, I'm going to pick, it'll show you how much you have available. I'm going to do all of it, and I'm going to submit it. Once you submit it, it'll be in the network. It'll be 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes, depending on the network. And voila, that's it. It will be in my account here, investing, and I'll be making 1.2% for 100 every day for 120 days inside my Infinity XMR bot. So I just started this journey. That's what I'm doing. I just wanted to do this Binance tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys learned a little bit here. If you guys got any questions about anything, please let me know. If you want to go to the advanced, it's a little bit more technical. It looks kind of cool, and it kind of looks crazy. But same concept. It's just a little bit better here with the tools. You can do a lot more. So it is definitely something to look forward to as you grow on this journey. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys how this works, but go ahead and just press the Binance logo if you get stuck there, and it'll bring you back here. Other than that, guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have Ethereum, you can send Ethereum to this market and you can exchange it just like we did for Bitcoin, but Ethereum. So it'll be Monero in Ethereum market, and same thing with Binance. And I forgot to tell you guys, a good thing to do is what you need to do is when you come inside your Binance, you need to put your BNB to pay for fees. So it's a 50% discount, which you need to keep in mind. Over time, you're going to be doing a lot of transferring and sending and withdrawing and depositing and a lot of coins, right? So you want to get a discount. And so what this is going to do, it's automatically going to buy the Binance coin for you. It'll buy a certain amount and it'll use that Binance coin, and if you do that, it'll give you 50% discount. So basically what you're doing is you're investing in the Binance coin along with their platform. So the Binance coin, over time, more people getting involved into this exchange. If you want to just hodl onto your Binance coin and buy that coin, I would highly suggest it because this is one of the most popular exchanges. So just some cool tricks like that. If you guys want to referral, this is a referral program, but it's very minimal. It's nothing crazy. I'm not going to get any crazy commissions off bringing you guys in my link. But it is nice. I only have 4 people. I don't really promote my link. I've had this for over 7 months now. But if you guys are wanting to do that, send it over to social media, copy this, whatever. You guys can do that. But other than that, that's basically it. Make sure your guys's account is funded, and if you guys need any help with exchange on any coin, do your research on these coins. Some coins, usually Binance does pretty well. They don't accept any shit coins, but some are. But over time, Binance is very strict on their rules and their regulations and stuff, so they've done a really good job. I really trust this account. It looks foreign, it looks like it's weird, but it's actually one of the most popular exchanges and cheapest for fees and easiest way to buy and trade and hold on to coins. So hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be doing another giveaway here on the next video, so comment, like my videos, subscribe, and you guys will be the next people to get a chance to win 0.2 Litecoin. So leave your Litecoin address. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I'll talk to you then. Take care.